How to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to add a hyperlink in PowerPoint. It's a great way to make your presentation more interactive. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have one open already, simply go ahead and also create a new presentation, or you can also open an existing one. Next, navigate to the slide where you want to add your hyperlink. You can add hyperlinks to text, images, shapes, and even objects like icons. Now, let's start with adding a hyperlink. Simply select the text that you want to turn into a link. Now, simply right-click on it and you can simply find the option that says hyperlink. Or you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K to open the hyperlink dialog box. Now in the insert hyperlink window, you can add different types of links. To add a web link, simply paste the URL into the address field at the bottom. Simply click on OK. And just like that, a hyperlink has been pasted to this text. Now you can also link to another slide in your presentation. To do this, simply highlight the text or object and simply right click and select hyperlink as we did earlier. In the insert hyperlink window, click on place this document. This shows you a list of slides in your presentation. Select the slide from the list and click on OK. Simply to test your hyperlink, go ahead and switch to slideshow mode. You can simply see at the top slideshow. Simply start. Now let's click the hyperlink. As you can see, when I touched that link, it went to the first, and after that I touch this one, it opened the link. And that's it. You successfully added hyperlink to your PowerPoint.